MEKA Cone Crushers begin their manufacturing journey with certified steels selected for high strength, impact toughness, and wear resistance, shaped through advanced casting and forging technologies. Cast and forged components undergo controlled heat treatment to achieve a homogeneous internal structure and superior mechanical properties. After assembly, each cone crusher is subjected to comprehensive performance and durability tests to ensure full compliance with MEKA's quality and reliability standards. The lubrication and hydraulic systems are verified to guarantee safe, efficient, and uninterrupted operation. Designed for hard and abrasive rocks, MEKA Cone Crushers deliver high capacity and excellent performance. With variable eccentricity values, adjustable chamber geometry, and PLC-controlled CSS settings, they adapt to different gradation requirements and produce the desired final product size while minimizing fines loss. From mining to infrastructure projects, MEKA means maximum efficiency and minimum downtime.